Hi to one and all, welcome to Enter channel. Please subscribe and press the bell button. This channel will be very useful for the students who are from the computer science department. UGC NET entrance exam solved papers book back with solved answers with explanations we are going to see. Hi, before we heading up to the solved papers, first we see the syllabus of the computer science syllabus of UGC NET. The Chapter 1, Unit 1, Discrete Structures and Optimization, which has mathematical logical, sets and relations, counting mathematical induction and discrete probability, group theory, and so on. And the graph theory, Boolean algebra, optimization. And the second unit is Computer System Architecture, Digital Logic Circuits and Components. Under this, having these categories: data representations, register transfer and micro operations, basic computer organizations and design. And afterwards, programming the basic computer, microprogramming control, central processing unit, pipeline and vector processing, input and output organization. Memory hierarchy, multiprocessors. In Unit 3, programming language and computer graphics. Under this subheadings, language design and translation issues. And then we have so much of topic. Elementary data types, programming in C, object-oriented programming, programming in C++, web programming, computer graphics, 2D geometrical transforms and viewing, 3D objects representations, geometric transformations and viewing. And in Unit 4, database management systems. Under database management systems, database system concepts and architecture, and data modeling, SQL, and normalization for relational database, enhanced data models, data warehouse and data mining, big data systems, and NoSQL. And Unit 5, system software and operating system. Under this system software, basic for operating systems, process management, threads, CPU scheduling, deadlocks, memory management, storage management, file and input output systems and all their security, virtual machines, Linux operating systems, Windows operating systems, distributed systems are all come under Unit 5. And then Unit 6 is software engineer. Under the software engineer, these are the subheadings. And second is software requirements, software design, software quality, estimation and scheduling of software projects, software testing and software configuration management. And in Unit 7, data structures and algorithms. Under this, performance analysis, design techniques, low bound theory, graph algorithms, complexity theory, and selected topics, advanced algorithms. And Unit 8, theory of computation, compilers, theory of computations, regular language models, context free language, and Turing machines, TM, unsolvable problems and computational complexity, syntax analysis. And then semantic analysis, runtime systems, intermediate code generation and code optimization. And in Unit 9, data communication and computer networks, data communication, computer network models, function of OSI and TCP IP layers, and World Wide Web, WWW, network security, mobile technology, cloud computing and IoT, cloud computing. And Unit 10, artificial intelligence, AI, and knowledge representation, planning, natural language processing, multi-agent systems, fuzzy sets, genetic algorithms, encoding strategies, genetic operators, artificial neural networks. So these are the topics in computer applications. And here solved question answers with explanation. First question is, breakdown in verbal communication is described as dash: short circuit, contradiction, unevenness, entropy. The answer is entropy. Entropy. Why? Because Entropy implies the tendency towards degeneration of order existing with the systems. That is, entropy means we can say that when the perspective, the perspective of a communication goal is lost, verbal communication may easily lead to a breakdown. The word short circuit is low down power, and contradiction is totally different, and unevenness is not the same, and entropy is similar to the breakdown. So the meaning of the entropy is breakdown in verbal communication. And the second one is the telephone model of communication was first developed in the area of dash. The option was technological theory, dispersion theory, minimal effects theory, information theory. The answer is technological theory. Why? Because the first model of communication was developed by Shannon and Weaver to send and receive message or transform the information from sender to receiver. So this was mainly designed to mirror the functioning of radio and telephone technologies. Therefore, the development area is around the technological theory. So the answer is A, technological theory, and we will be continuing in the next class. So please subscribe and keep watching. Thank you.